Okay, your helpful hint for problem number 8. You need to go ahead and use distributive property, and then you're going to combine your like terms. So I'm going to write down which ones I am not worried about combining. So I have 154 is less than or equal to 5x. Whoops, I don't want that all underlined. Hold on. Don't underline. Take it off. There we go. 5x. And then I have my 4 distributed into my parentheses. So plus 4 times 1 is 4, plus 5, or 4 times 5 is 20, and then I just bring my x down. Now I need to combine my like terms. You guys should know what those are by now. I'm going to go ahead and bold them for you, just so you know. So then I'm going to write my equation with the combined like terms. Let me get my sign here. Is less than or equal to 5x plus 20x equals 25x. And then I'm just going to bring down this positive 4 or plus 4. At this point, you should know what to do. This is a two-step inequality. You're going to look at this side with your variable, and then you're going to start as far away from your variable on this side as possible, which is that positive 4. You're going to do the inverse operation. It's adding right now. That inverse operation is subtraction. You're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Then you have the 25 multiplying the variable, so 25 times x. Since it's multiplying, you're going to do the inverse operation of dividing, and then you're going to divide 25 by both sides, and at that point, you will have your answer. And then you're going to go ahead and graph that.